How to fix POF can't log into your account even after a password reset. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if you cannot log into your account after a password reset on the Plenty of Fish app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are getting a POF or Plenty of Fish login error after a password reset that says, I can't log into my account, then what could be the reason that this could be happening? The first thing is to make sure that your credentials are correct. So open up the POF app and tap the login button and try to enter your username or email associated with your Grindr account and try to add your password with the newly updated password. Because now if you're not sure what password you've typed in, then no worries, you can always tap on this eye icon on the right hand side to see what password you typed in and make sure that the new password you entered is actually correct. Now if you reset your password and you still sometimes mistyped the new password and that's why you don't know what your password is now, you can again try to reset your password by tapping on I forgot my password button here. And when you do that, when you tap on I forgot my password, just enter the email address that is associated with your POF account and tap on reset password. And after that, just check for your mail and see if you have received any sort of email from POF. You can also try to check the spam folder in this case because sometimes that could also be the case. And once done, reset your password and re-log in using the new credentials. So hopefully this video helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.